Hey, what's up, family? So check it out, y'all. Man, go ahead and come here, man. Y'all know I just moved in, and so I told y'all I was gonna show y'all exactly how it's gonna be. But y'all, this right here is my first move-in date. I'm inside my apartment, y'all. Of course, I'm still in Atlanta. This is not my first luxury apartment, but this is kind of getting back to what I am used to. We're gonna go across the whole thing. This is pretty much an empty tour, apartment tour. So let's go ahead and get to it, y'all. All right, so as y'all can see, family, the first thing first, we got the gray right here, y'all. It's a gray door, right? Luxury style, you know what I'm saying? It's real cool. Like, I really like it. I just love the color, right? You got in the kitchen, y'all follow me, man. All right, this right here is a stainless steel refrigerator. Of course, y'all, it's one of those, it just give that vibe of luxury. But here's the what's inside the refrigerator, y'all. I told y'all this is, pretty much just an empty apartment tour. All I got is some water. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and sip this water real quick, y'all. Need the H2O. I said the H2O. H2O, that's what I meant to say. But anyway, so black cabinets, family, black cabinets, y'all see, right? Got the clear in there. Microwave over the stove, so overrange microwave. Of course, more cabinets, family, and that's pretty much that. I want to say this too, y'all. Anybody who is really trying to do something, successful or become successful in any way, shape, form, or fashion, family, you gotta work, you gotta grind every day. Like, you can't miss no day. And you just gotta persevere. Like, it's gonna be a lot of people who come into your life who try to, throw distractions at you, who try to make you feel bad for being who you are, and who try to dim your light. But see, what people fail to realize is, that's all a part of life. What you gotta do is understand how to block it out, right? Like, when you playing football, you're not looking in the stands. I'm sure Justin Fields, Russell Wilson, right? Lamar Jackson, they don't care about the stands. That's what the crowd is. They supposed to do their job. Some gonna be protagonists, some gonna be antagonists. But it is what it is. And so what I'm saying, y'all, is that that's something that I had to do. Like, I had to just stay focused, right? And just keep working. Video after video. Making sure I keep God first, y'all. Because I don't want nobody to misconstrue this like, he changing up. No. It's always God first, y'all. Matter of fact, y'all, drop in the comments and say big God, right? But anyway, y'all, I just wanted to throw that in there. As y'all see, y'all, this right here is the marble counters, right? Marble counters. I like granite, but, I was blessed to get the marble joints. And, of course, y'all, the pull-out. Y'all see it. It's the pull-out joint, right? Of course, 2 sinks, whatever. And, it's just a blessing to have that. Y'all follow me, y'all. All right, so I told y'all this right here is an apartment, empty apartment tour. So y'all see, like, I got trash in the corner, so I'm still trying to figure out. I don't know, family, if I want to do like some YouTube videos right here. Do I want to put a bar right here, right? And of course, y'all, I'm going to put bar stools right here too. So y'all check it out. I'm going to put bar stools right here. But I don't know if I want to, I don't know what I want to do with this little area, but that's that. Now, if y'all follow me, y'all see I got the rug, y'all, area rug, 8x10 joint. And, it's really dope. It's really dope. Of course, I got this sectional, family. The sectional it was just something that I wanted to do because, where I previously came from, I had like 2 couches, but I said, no, I want to put it together. What can I get? So I said sectional, right? Of course, y'all see the outside window. This right here is a big window. I want to see how I can take these blinds now, y'all, so I can put my velvet curtains right here. Y'all dig what I'm saying? Like, I want to put my velvet curtains right here, right? Let's see. All right, we ain't gonna stay outside too long, y'all, but as y'all can see, come follow me. This right here, family, is my balcony, right? I'm on the 4th floor, as y'all can see, no major view. But, y'all, I'm a country boy at heart still, so we get to see the top of the trees, y'all. So, the people who got the big buildings, y'all, these are my big buildings. So imagine the big buildings right here, but these are the trees, right? Y'all follow me, man. Let's see. let me get one last view of the thing. You know what I'm saying? Hey, all right, y'all. So y'all follow me. Then we're gonna go to the other side of the apartment, right? So here's my room, y'all. Here's the room. You know, excuse the echoey sound because I know I have no furniture in here. However, y'all, this is what it is, and this is how it is. So I'm gonna put my bed like right here. Well, I gotta put my TV right here, and then my bed right here, right? So that's gonna be cool. Y'all follow me. Let me show y'all the closet. So work area. This is probably where I'm gonna go live at. You know, y'all will probably see me go live. I may do a few videos right here, but mostly it'll be like office work. Like I'll be taking care of my business right here. Another marble table too. And pick up the walk-in closet, y'all. This where all the drip gonna go at. This where all the swag, all the everything, y'all. Y'all follow me. Right here, this is my walk-in closet. So as y'all can see, y'all, still empty apartment tour, but that's the walk-in closet, y'all. Let's see. I'm gonna take y'all through to the bathroom, honestly. Let's see. All right, here we go, family. So of course, this is where you put all the towels at, you know. I'm gonna get you some towels, probably put some comforters there as well, like whenever I have guests, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much where all that stuff gonna go at. Y'all can follow me. And you know, I'm gonna put some decors right here. Like, I don't know, y'all. Like, I wanna get creative. Like, I may put a decor right there, decor right here, decor right here. Like, I want it really to feel like a art museum. So a lot of history, you know, like, you know, Malcolm X portraits, Martin Luther King, what else, family? Tupac, you know, Sam Cooke, a lot of the greats. But of course, y'all, I gotta put the scriptures in there, y'all. And I want to do Jeremiah 29:11. So I probably put the scriptures like right here. So as soon as I come in, y'all, take my shower, take my bath, boom, you'll see it right here. Jeremiah 29:11. What he says, y'all, he says that for I know the plans that I have for you. Right? He says plans to give you a hope in the future. Come on, y'all. I know y'all felt that one. It touched me every time too. I'm gonna be honest. All right, so here's my big luxury mirror. Okay. It got the black finishes, you know, and of course these fancy little lights. And here is the garden tub, y'all. Right, this is the garden tub. You know, a lot can go down in the garden tub. You know, I mean, you can do bubble baths. 2 people can get in it. I mean, I'm just being honest, y'all. It's a lot that can go down. You know, but yeah. And let's get to this wash and dryer, y'all. So here's the wash and dryer. You know, of course, when I want to wash some clothes, wash out my comforters, whatever the case is. But it's all right here, y'all. Fully, well, not furnished, but everything is pretty much convenient, right? And so if y'all come in right here, this right here is pretty much gonna conclude the tour. Here's my closet right here, y'all. Like, so if you want, you can check it out, check the closet out real quick. You know what I'm saying, y'all? And you know, let's just say they come out with some type of jacket. They got the outlet or the plug to go to it. Guess what? You can charge your jacket up. Electrical jacket. You never know, y'all. It just happens. You never know. But you can charge it up right here, y'all. But other than that, y'all, this is the apartment tour. For those who've been following me for a long time, y'all know, you know, the struggle has been real. Y'all seen what my apartment was looking like before I got here. And you know, y'all, I just want to say I'm truly blessed. I'm thankful. I'm thankful for y'all. I'm thankful for your support. I'm thankful for God, and I'm just thankful for life. But with that being said, y'all, listen, if y'all don't take away anything from this video, y'all, understand that you got to work, persevere, you know, keep faith, grind, avoid the distractions, family, and don't worry about what they say about you, because you can have a luxury apartment too. Y'all keep a rich mentality. Peace.